Welcome back to another car wash video, and we're here at a car wash called the Corner Market Car Wash. And yeah, let's see what they have here. Looks like you have a PDQ Tandem and a Laserwash G5. So since my car's really dirty, we'll go for the Tandem. Alright, so there's your choices. You have an Ultimate for Plus for 18, an Ultimate Wash for 15, a Premium for 13, and a Basic for 10.
Please select the payment. Please insert your credit card in the reader below. Please select your wash package. Do you want a printed receipt? Please take your receipt. The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
Look, I love that laser wash. That's so funny. What the heck? That's it? break down? What the heck? Well, literally, I think the whole thing just failed. I'm probably gonna go and get my money back because that's unacceptable. It didn't do half of what it was supposed to do. Wow, okay, I'm just kind of lost of words, but yeah. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna go back and get my money back for whatever this thing did, because, yeah, I think the thing just, like, yeah. All right, so that's it. All right, so I went back into the gas station, and I told him everything that happened. You know, basically the system, like, stopped halfway and didn't do, like, half of what it was supposed to do. So he basically gave me a code, and this is the code right here. So since I don't trust the Tandem, I'm going to try the G5.
Please select the payment. Please enter your wash code. The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
Yeah, it's not getting the window very good. All right, let's take a look at this. Well, obviously I can't get that off, but that bug was probably already there when I got out. I mean, it did an okay job, but still, I wouldn't ever come back to this place. This place seems like they don't keep up with this equipment. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed a little bit, but at least the guy made it right. And, you know, at least this system, you know, actually pulled through and did an okay job, but still, I've seen better. So that's it.